Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Kershaw Emerson Launch 5. Push button automatic on this guy. Great action, just like all the other Kershaw Launch series. And the overall length is 8 1/4 of an inch. Blade length is 3 1/2 inches of CPM 154. Nice drop point shape on that blade. And to close it, you push down the button as well and you retract it. Handle length is 5.1 inches of this aluminum. It's got this cool milled pattern on it. Gives you a little bit of extra grip. And the weight on this guy is 4.1 ounces. Here's a size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. There you go. It's got a pocket clip right there for tip up right or left hand carry. And just an overall great knife. Got some good ergonomics. Got a finger choil right there in the handle and some nice jimping up on top for your thumb. So overall, great knife. Great action. Go ahead and buy it. It's the Kershaw Launch 5. You know where to buy it? BladeHQ.com.